Money is important. We need it for everything. Food, shelter, and even fun things cost money. Managing your money well means you're in control. You decide where your money goes. This makes you less stressed about bills. When you manage your money, you can reach your goals. Want to buy a house? A car? How about a fun vacation? Managing your money makes those dreams possible. It's about making smart choices today for a better tomorrow. Remember, money is a tool. You can use it to build the life you want. Take control of your finances. It's the first step towards a brighter future. A budget is a plan for your money. It's like a roadmap that guides you on how to spend and save wisely. It tells your money where to go each month, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your finances. A budget helps you reach your financial goals faster by keeping your spending in check. Start by listing your income. Include everything you earn, from your paycheck to freelance gigs and side hustles. Then, list all your expenses. This includes fixed costs like rent and utilities, as well as variable costs like groceries and entertainment. These are your bills, groceries, and fun money. Don't forget to include occasional expenses like gifts or car maintenance. Now subtract your expenses from your income. This will show you how much money you have left over. Do you have any money left over? If not, don't worry. This is a common issue. You can cut some expenses or find ways to earn more. Consider canceling subscriptions you don't use or picking up a part-time job. The goal is to have money left over each month. This surplus can be saved or invested. This extra money helps you reach your financial goals faster, whether it's buying a house, traveling, or building an emergency fund. Remember, budgeting is the key to financial success. It empowers you to take control of your financial future and achieve your dreams. Tracking your spending is crucial for financial awareness. It's the first step towards understanding your financial habits and gaining control over your money. It reveals where your money actually goes, often uncovering surprising patterns and unexpected expenses. Many people are surprised to see their spending habits. They often find that small, frequent purchases add up quickly. They realize they spend more than they thought on unnecessary items, like daily coffees or impulse buys. There are easy ways to track your spending. You can use traditional methods or modern technology. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Each method has its own benefits and can suit different lifestyles. Choose a method that works best for you. The most important thing is to find a system that you can stick with. The key is to be consistent with tracking. Make it a daily habit to record every transaction. Note down every expense, big or small. This includes everything from your morning coffee to your monthly rent. Review your tracked spending regularly. Set aside time each week to go over your expenses. Look for patterns in areas where you can cut back. Identify non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. This awareness empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. You'll be able to prioritize your spending and save more effectively. Tracking your spending is a powerful tool for financial control. It gives you the insight needed to manage your finances wisely and achieve your financial goals. Cutting expenses is a surefire way to save more money. Start by identifying non-essential spending. This could be eating out too often or subscriptions you don't use. Look for cheaper alternatives. Can you cook at home instead of ordering takeout? Consider negotiating lower prices for services like internet or insurance. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Remember, cutting expenses doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about being mindful and making conscious choices. By reducing unnecessary spending, you free up more money to save and invest. Section 5. The power of saving. Building a financial safety net is an essential step towards achieving financial freedom and security. Saving money is crucial for a secure financial future. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Emergencies happen, and having savings prevents financial stress during tough times. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or sudden job loss, having a financial cushion can make all the difference. Start by setting a savings goal. This goal can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, such as building a retirement fund. It could be a small amount each month or a percentage of your income. Make saving automatic to ensure you don't forget or skip a month. Set up a direct deposit from your checking account to your savings account. This way, the money is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures consistent saving. Prioritizing your savings can help you build a substantial financial buffer over time. Remember, even small amounts add up over time. Consistency is key, and every little bit helps. The power of saving lies in consistency and discipline. Regularly contributing to your savings can lead to significant growth over the years. Building a financial safety net brings peace of mind and financial stability. Knowing you have funds set aside for emergencies allows you to focus on other financial goals and enjoy life without constant worry. Section 6. Emergency funds, your financial safety net. An emergency fund is a must-have for financial security. It covers unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. Keep your emergency fund separate from your regular savings. This prevents accidental spending and ensures it's readily available when needed. Start by saving a small amount each month. Gradually increase the amount as your finances allow. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and protects you from financial setbacks. It's a cornerstone of responsible money management. Section 7. Investing for the future, growing your wealth. Investing is essential for long-term financial growth. It helps your money outpace inflation and build wealth. Start by learning the basics of investing. There are various investment options available. Consider low-cost index funds for a diversified approach. Start early and invest consistently. Time is your greatest asset in investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, investing involves risk. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Seek professional advice if needed. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. Section 8. Seeking professional advice. Navigating the financial world. Navigating the financial world can feel overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance. They can help you create a financial plan, choose suitable investments, and plan for retirement. Look for a fee-only financial advisor for unbiased advice. They work in your best interest and don't earn commissions on selling products. Seeking professional advice provides clarity and confidence in your financial decisions. It's an investment in your financial well-being. Section 9. Financial freedom, a journey worth taking. Financial freedom is achievable with discipline and smart choices. It's about having control over your finances and living life on your terms. Start by setting clear financial goals. Create a plan and stick to it. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the power of managing your money wisely. Financial freedom awaits.